today's video, I'm going to show you what I have completed so far in my 100 days to a clean home challenge. This will be days 1 through 5, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I was a little hesitant about joining this challenge. This challenge is put together by my dear friend Danielle. Her channel name is Clean House Simple Mama, and I will make sure to link her channel in my description box below. But I was a little bit hesitant about joining because my house is overall pretty clean, but I have some areas that need a little extra love. So that's what I decided that I would focus on, is using this time, this 100 days, to clean things that I ordinarily do not clean on a regular basis. A lot of these things I have not cleaned since getting sick 3 years ago. They just got put on the back burner. So I'm doing things like cleaning baseboards, cleaning doors, cleaning vents, things like that I have not done in a while. This week I chose to focus on my laundry room. My laundry room is the most neglected room in my whole entire home. We come in and out of the garage, which is connected to the laundry room. This ends up being a catch-all for lots of things. It also ends up just collecting a lot of dust from lint from the dryer and that kind of thing. But we're working really hard in the laundry room. We're getting ready to do some repainting in here, to install some customized shelving, to replace the dryer so that the washer and dryer match, because they do not. And if you've watched my channel, you will know that before I got sick, we had to replace the washing machine because it broke. They did not have the dryer in stock. We thought we would go back and get it later, and 3 years later, here I stand with a mismatched washer and dryer. However, in this 100 days, I do expect to have a dryer that matches, and I do expect to have built-in, so I will revisit this room before the 100 days is over. Before I start, I also want to tell you guys to check out Sunday Dawn. Her channel is The Helpful Home. Candace, her channel is The Canadian Mom. And Sarah, her channel is The Silver Lining. They're going to be participating in this collaboration as well. We just kind of post whenever we want to post. My goal is to post on Sundays. Obviously, I did not reach my goal this week. I had some things come up this week, but I will try to put my updates out on Sunday, how I'm doing my cleaning, and they're all doing theirs in a different way. But I am cleaning 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Like I said, I am doing extra stuff. So I'm doing like baseboards, doors, little places, nooks and crannies. I'm spending about 10 to 15 minutes per day, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less, doing this type of cleaning. And then I'm putting it all together in a video for you. So I'm doing that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then you'll hopefully have a video on Sunday, and then I'll be doing it the next week. And I would also love to invite you guys to do this challenge with me. If you would like, if you have areas in your home that you would like to clean, you can reach out to me. And I'm pretty sure that if you go to my Facebook page, Live, Laugh, Love with Jen, I'm pretty sure that you can post on that page and you can post your progress. If not, you can always DM me your pictures and I can share them for you, but I'm pretty sure you can share on there. And Danielle also has a great, phenomenal Facebook website that you can post on, so you might want to check that out as well. But I do not want to talk a ton. I know this introduction is already extra long, but I just want to show you what I did on the first 5 days. If you've not started yet, that's okay. Just start whenever you can. But yes, this is my first 5 days. I stayed specifically in the laundry room, and I finished the laundry room in those 5 days. You could go around to different rooms. It doesn't matter how you do it. You can do it however you want to do. I just decided to stay in one room per week. I may change that next week. I don't know. We'll see how it goes throughout the course of the 100 days, but stay tuned to see my progress for the first 5 days.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you.
Today I'm going to clean the inside of my washing machine. So this is what it looks like before. There's just some stuff down in here that I need to scrub out. I'm just going to clean through here. Just a little bit of residue in there and just wipe that down.
Conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego.
So this is what the inside looks like after. That's nice and clean. Everything is clean through here. Everything is nice and clean, and this is clean as well. Today is day 3, and I'm going to just be cleaning the inside of my dryer. There's not much to do in here. I just need to wipe this down, and then I need to clean out all the lint in here.
With his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
So this is what the water and the rainbow looks like after I finished cleaning out the dryer. And then I have the filter drying in the sink, and I just wiped all of this down. So now it's nice and clean, and we are done for day 3. So this is what I'm doing today. The washing machine is pulled out. I'm going to clean the floor back here, and I'm going to clean the baseboards and the walls. And I'm also going to clean back here behind my dryer. This is as far as I can move. Let me see if I can walk back here. This is as far as the dryer can be moved out without having to pull that out. So I'm just going to do the best that I can do. And then that will be it for today. Also, to clean this, I am using a bucket full of warm water with some soap. It's like some Mr. Clean floor cleaning soap. I'm going to use that to wash the baseboards and clean the wall. I'm also using some gloves. I'm going to use my rainbow to vacuum up the dust, and I will use my O-Cedar mop to mop the floors.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will.
So this is the after. This is clean up here. The walls are clean. The baseboards are clean. The floor is drying, so it's still wet, but it looks much better than it did. And let's see if I can get behind the dryer. It looks like this. And I see some more dust that I need to get as I'm showing you guys this, but yeah, this is the best that I could do for today, but it's done. So today I'm going to finish up in the laundry room. I just need to take everything off of this and clean it, and these can be put away. We got in the habit of storing them there when we had to wear them all the time, so we could grab one to go. I need to clean this light switch thing. I can't remember what it's called right now, but you know what I'm talking about. Light switch plate, that's what it's called. And I have some molding that I need to clean down here. I need to clean this door that goes out into the garage and clean the top of that. I just need to wipe this picture down. I just need to dust off where the dogs have, where we keep the dogs' leashes, that kind of thing. I have this that I actually need to unbox and find a home for and move. I have this door that I need to wipe down as well, just the back of it for today. Then over here in this area, we are working on designing a built-in type book system that's going to have a hamper built in with it. So I'm not going to worry about removing any of this stuff or doing much on this side of the laundry room. I am going to take the stuff off of this cabinet and wipe it down, or off of the countertop. I'm going to take the stuff off this countertop, wipe it down, and just put everything back, and that's all I'm going to do over here. And I need to put these shoes away, and I need to clean the trash can to put back between the washer and dryer.
Let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little.
My name is Jen, and as a former teacher and a heart warrior, my mission behind every video is to motivate and to inspire you and to show you guys that if I can do things around my home, if I can do other things, then you can do them too, and that we can overcome obstacles, and that we're all in this together. And just love my YouTube family. If you are not a part of my YouTube family, I would love to invite you to join. It is completely free. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on each and every time that I post. I know that the angles in this video are a little off. I know that I do a ton of cleaning videos, but I never clean in my laundry room, so I had no idea kind of where to put the camera and that kind of thing, but I just wanted to show you guys the progress and how much difference that taking an extra 10 to 15 minutes per day can make in the appearance of things, and how it just makes such a big impact taking that small time. So we can use small steps and we can clean in small steps. You do not have to set aside a whole day and completely clean. You can just do a little bit at a time, and that is perfectly okay.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
So this is what everything looks like now. This is the entrance out into the garage. The door is nice and clean. All of this is clean. This is dusted and cleaned. All of these cabinets are cleaned out and cleaned off. Again, I think I'm going to find something else to put there instead of the picture. In this 100 days, I'm going to get a dryer that actually matches the washing machine, so just ignore that for now. The trash can's nice and clean. I got these 2 rugs. I ordered them on Amazon, and the packaging was terrible, and they had them folded over, so they had this white. And I don't know if that's going to go away or not. If it does not, I'll have to replace those, but I'm not stressed about it right now. And then I decided I wiped this down, and I decided to go ahead and clean down here and clean the walls down here. A temporary hamper. And then I will go through this stuff once I put my cabinets in. And then I cleaned this door that goes into the house, and I also cleaned this vent. So the laundry room is completely finished. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that it inspired or motivated you, and I just want you to know that if I can do this, you can do this as well. Again, like I said, I'm still doing my regular tidying each day. This is just an additional, I'm going to just say 15 minutes per day that I'm just doing something extra and something that I have not done in a while. And I think this is really going to help me to keep my home as tidy and fresh as possible. But I just want to thank Danielle for inviting me to do this challenge, and for kind of forcing me, not really forcing me because I agreed to do the challenge, but for forcing me to kind of clean some of those things that I have neglected for a while. And I know we all have those things. So no matter where you are on your housekeeping journey, you can tune into these videos and enjoy them as well. I'm going to do lots of cleaning, lots of decluttering, lots of changes going on, so I'm so excited for you guys to see. But thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed already, please click on that subscribe button, and also make sure your bell's on so that you can receive notifications each and every time that I post. I normally upload on Tuesdays and Fridays, and then for the next 100 days on Sundays. However, sometimes I do have a video out other days of the week, and I don't want you to miss that as well. And I think that's about it. So just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.